Great box opening today, folks. It's another robot, but it's not a cleaning robot. So it's the Flymo Easilife robotic lawnmower.
Guys,
What a guy. So we've got a small white box. We're not sure what's in this yet.
wires. Power cord, is it? Oh
Power
no, it
cord.
looks like a charging module.
More cords. Ooh, that's right, isn't it? Is it heavy?
Fairly heavy, but not too heavy to pick up.
It's the charging point, isn't it?
Charging point, the home, the base, the thing it goes back to.
Oh, isn't sure if this is extra boundary wire. Oh, it has written on it, yes.
Does it?
It says boundary wire.
Should we have
100 metres. Oh, this is what it looks like inside, folks, when you flip the top up.
panel?
This is low voltage extension cable.
Yeah, this is what you would run from your indoor transformer.
So that is the indoor transformer.
Plug it into the mains, you get 28 volts DC here. One end goes into the extension, and you can run this outside. I'm going through the initial setup on the Flymo, so I've pressed and held the start button for 3 seconds, and this menu's come up. So it's asking me what language I want. So English is pre-selected. I'll press OK. Country. Okay, what country are we in? There we go, United Kingdom. United Kingdom, okay. Set the date's already preset, the 9th.
Oh, that's clever.
The 3rd, 2021, okay. Set the time, 10:58 AM, okay. Scheduling wizard, lawn size. We'll call it 100 metres, shall we? 100 square metres. Inactive days. Well, there is an option for leaving it blank. So so it's blank. If I press OK, it should be active for all days. Okay, daily schedule then.
Is that
9:30 to 11:40.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay. Accept that. Press OK there, right?
Yeah, okay.
Enter new PIN code. Right, new PIN
Okay,
code.
folks. So we've put in the what is it? The passcode or whatever you call it. And we just want to mention something now. As I said earlier, as I showed you folks earlier, the boundary wire has got Husqvarna written on it. And Paul's noticed that, what else was Husqvarna?
The power supply, Husqvarna Group.
So the blades are branded Husqvarna as well.
And also in the privacy policy of the app, Husqvarna Group there. So
wasn't it?
So Husqvarna are a Swedish company, and they were one of the few automatic robotic lawnmowers on the market at the time, but they were very expensive. So we held on for a year or two, and then decided to get one of these Flymos because they're very cheap and they've got a good customer rating. But then we find
it's essentially Husqvarna.
It seems to be essentially Husqvarna. Obviously, Flymo and Husqvarna have done a deal because Flymo have got a good recognisable brand in the UK and Husqvarna haven't. So there's some
I
sort of
also
deal.
noticed when you selected language, English was pre-selected, but Swedish was the next one.
Was it? Oh,
yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah.
So this is where we're going to have the Flymo on its charging base, though it's not plugged in yet. Paul levelled up the lawn underneath the charging pad so that we can get on and off okay. So Paul started laying the boundary wire, pegs in.
Pegs just trap it down to the ground and presumably the grass will grow around.
Paul's got the power wire going in here into the house through the side of the window. So the lawnmower's plugged in now and it's all ready to go. Connectors up now.
Charging, it says. Quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really quiet.
It looks like it's doing much cutting because it's set at 5 centimetres as it goes to the dry grass at 5 centimetres.
Right, so it's set too high at the moment. Oh yeah, it's gone on the guide wire. It's gone on the guide wire to find its way back. Yeah, it's on the middle of the guide wire. It's clever, isn't it? We love the lawnmower, but Toby thinks it shouldn't be there. You're gonna have to get used to it, son. You've got to share your garden with that. What do you think of that?
It's after a scent.
He's doing lots of scent marking. It's still my garden. It seems to be losing interest now. The lawnmower's been mowing the garden now for 5 days and it's all pretty uniform.
I think it's set at 4.5 centimetres.
It's set at 4.5 centimetres and really it's quite short, isn't it? So comes on every morning at 9:30, apart from when you've been cleaning the blades, because then it thinks it's upside down, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So if you turn it over and clean the blades, you've got to put the number key back in, don't you?
Yeah, because it thinks it's been had an accident and turned over.
Yeah. How often have you cleaned these blades?
Well,
Paul?
I've just been doing it out of interest, really, just to see what it's like after it's mown. And it doesn't clog up particularly badly. Sometimes you get a little bit of grass laid around each of the pins, but on the whole it's been pretty clog free.
So how satisfied are you with this Flymo?
Well, if it turns out to be reliable over time, I'd be very satisfied with the way it's managed the grass.
I'm perfectly happy with the cut of the grass.
Perfectly happy, yeah. I'm sure over time, because it's been mowed regularly and kept short and mulched rather than taking the grass clippings away, it'll produce a better lawn.
So we'll do an update on the lawn in a few months' time in the summer.
Yeah.